Hey y'all, so I'm gonna vlog our day in Vegas today. So today's our first day in Vegas if you don't count yesterday because it was like a half day because we were driving most of the time. But today we're pretty much just gonna go to the factories like the Hershey's M&M chocolate factory. We're gonna go probably the Big Apple roller coaster that is around New York. It's like red and it's huge. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll update y'all when we get there, and I hope y'all enjoy. Okay guys, so we were looking for chairs because this small ass table, like look how small this table is, and we're all five sitting on this table. And bro, the food is so expensive here. We ordered like 5 burgers and like 2 fries, and it was like $78. Like that's like overpriced as hell. But yeah, we got chairs because Nisa asked like 500 people around us if we could have their chairs. And we got rejected. No. We got rejected by like 100. But yeah, guys, that was the story. Hey guys, so in the Venetian, there's this really cute photo wall. It says "Want the World" and it says the Venetian Resort. It's really cute, and I think I'm maybe gonna take pictures here. No idea, but I just wanted to show y'all this because I think it's super Hey guys, so we're at the M&M factory. It looks super cool. There's 4 levels to this one in Vegas, and there's things like these. Wait, Shiva, this is 2 for $16. No, that's these are very expensive. We just want the bags. Okay. But yeah, guys, this is pretty much it. Y'all want to visit. Okay, guys, so now we're in the Coke factory, I think, and there's an international tray full of Cokes, and that's what we're gonna be trying. So we'll let you know the reviews, because like I honestly don't know what, like I don't think we've tried any of these unless we've been like outside the US, where I've only went to India, so probably not, and Canada, but probably not tried any of these. So I'll let y'all know. Hey guys, so we got Coca-Cola International drinks, and he dropped it. Why were you sticking it in my face? Mom, he dropped Sprite all over me. Hey guys, so we're at the Hershey's chocolate factory. Shiva's holding the cutest, largest Hershey's bar. Oh yeah, and it looks super cute. I'm gonna take a picture. I'll update you. So guys, we got brownies. We got 4 brownies. If you want to see those, I'm going to give y'all a little exclusive on my Instagram. So go check it out. It's at Shishla Muhammad. KSHISHLALMOHAMMED. People are looking at me again. But yeah, okay guys, so we were at New York Hotel, and we went on the Big Apple roller coaster. It was super fun. Because guys, did you have fun? Yes, no. Okay, no one's answering me. It's fine. It was super fun. No, I'll give it to your mom. I need a vlog. Okay. And so now we're going on the Rio zipline in the Rio Hotel. You guys see it? It's right there. Okay, yeah. Bye, guys. Okay, guys. So we're waiting in line for going to the Rio, but we're just waiting for a text message so we can go zipline. But yeah, we're just sitting on the floor because okay, Vegas has a problem. Every time we go anywhere, we can never find a seat because like. Casinos are everywhere, and like we can never find a seat anywhere. So if you're coming here, just be aware. And you don't get to sit for a whole 4 hours. Yeah, you don't get to sit. Like we're like sitting on the floor. Like this is our last like option. Like it's all day long. Yeah, and we were walking around for so long. We went to the M&M, Hershey's, everything, Coca-Cola factories, and then we went to the Big Apple roller coaster in New York, and it was we're just walking, and now we get to sit, and we're sitting on the floor. So yeah, that sucks. But yeah, I'll tell y'all what happened after the zipline. Also, did y'all know the zipline we're going on? Dolan twins, Emma Chamberlain, and James Charles went as a sister squad. So go check out that video if you want to see the zipline, because I'm not going to take my phone. But okay guys, so we went to the Rio zipline, and it was so easy. It was so relaxing too. The only thing at the end, it like kind of sped up, and me and Shiva kind of got scared because they were speeding up. But no, overall it was really fun. And now we're gonna go on a helicopter ride, probably. I don't know. Okay guys, so we got lunch. Well, this is dinner. It's dinner. If we got dinner, and we got Little Italy's pizza. And Nisa got a cheese, we got buffalo chicken, and then Shion got Philly steak. I think the people were really nice, so if y'all are thinking of eating pizza in Vegas, I really recommend this, especially because it's next to the Rio. So if you plan on going ziplining, you can eat here afterwards. Now we're going to an Indian restaurant for my parents to eat, But yeah, I'll update y'all how. Hey guys, so we just finished eating and we were eating pizza in an Indian restaurant and it's so weird. Like it was so weird, but the pizza was good. Like I said, it was very good. It's called Little Italy's Pizza, and the people there were super nice. And we're just waiting on my parents to finish eating, and then we're probably gonna go back to the hotel, and then go on helicopter rides. So we're super excited. But yeah, I think that's it. Hey guys, so we're in the Luxor Hotel. It's literally shaped like a pyramid. Like the entire building is a pyramid building. And this is the stuff that they have, and it's beautiful. It literally looks like Egypt in like a building. It's super cool, and yeah, this is pretty much it. Hey guys, so we're at the helicopter place. It's called the Maverick, if y'all want to go on helicopter rides. But it's really nice. This is how it looks. Our helicopter ride's at 9:30, but we have to start loading at 9:10. Hopefully I get the chance to vlog up there. If I don't, then I'll tell you how it was. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You already know what we did today, so I don't really have to repeat it, but yeah, I hope y'all like the helicopter ride clip because that was really cool. It was very high up in the air, but we got to see the entire city of Las Vegas, so it looked really good. But yeah, that's it for today. Stay tuned for day 5, probably? I don't know, but yeah, stay tuned.